Have you ever wondered what endurance feels like? Well, come test it out with me. Oh my goodness. Did you just see that? That was crazy cool. And you know what? It gives me an idea. Quick, go grab a piece of paper and something to write with. And I will see you in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back, TGQ Kid. I hope you are up for a challenge because here it comes. Go ahead and grab your piece of paper and your writing utensil. We're going to open it if needed. Now flip your paper over. Your first challenge is to see if you can write your name upside down. You ready? Here we go. How's it going over there? And done. How'd yours turn out? Did you find it difficult or easy? Okay, next challenge. Now we're gonna write our names in the regular direction, but your eyes have decided to go on vacation. So they're off playing toes and nose and whatever else they wanna play. So you have to write your name without your eyes. You ready? Go ahead and close them and go. Whoa, that looks crazy. How did yours turn out? Was it what you expected, or did it look a little bit different? Okay, now we are going to write our names with our opposite hands. So whatever hand you normally write with, you're gonna swap to the other side. You ready? Let's go. Well, I hope yours is turning out better than mine. Okay, show them. How's yours looking? Okay, so we've gone through the first 3 challenges. What do you think so far? Have they been pretty easy, or have you found them to be quite difficult? Okay, now this is what I want you to do. You're gonna flip your writing utensil over, and you're gonna go back to your normal writing hand. And this time, I want you to write your name again. Now, if the other end of your writing utensil has a place to write, don't use it. Just do it in the air and go through the motions, okay? Ed, you ready? Here we go. And? Yep. I don't have anything to show for all of that hard work that I put into writing my own name. What about you? Did yours turn out pretty good? Okay, final challenge, and I think you're gonna like this one. It's pretty simple and easy. All I want you to do is write your name in your cool, unique way. And go. Now that looks more like you. This challenge, as fun as it is, actually teaches us a lot about respect. In our first attempts at writing our names, we had different challenges that we had to overcome. And although some of them may have been easier than others, we were still able to work through it and reach our goal of writing our names. Well, in one, we wrote our name, but we had nothing to show for it because realistically, we just went through the motions on that one. We didn't put any actual effort into doing it the right way, so that way others could see it. And that's what it feels like when respect isn't present. When we don't have respect, it makes things clumsy, clunky, and more difficult, and even messier. just like what we did. Whereas when we have respect, everything works more smoothly and everything becomes better, like our final version of our names. Respect gives you the power to make things better. And here's a hidden training that you just went through. You just discovered that although respect is awesome and it is super powerful, that sometimes we go through times where we don't get respect. And just so you know, it doesn't break down the whole system. Because you just proved, TGQ Kid, that you can change, pivot, and adjust to get the job done. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. We found out what respect means to both you and to me. So now, how are you going to express respect back out to the world? What does it feel like, sound like, look like to you? Maybe you visualize respect like London did this bracelet. She made this bracelet with different colored strings going in different directions. And she did it to represent how we are each unique and we each have our own roles to play. But when we show respect, our differences and uniquenesses turn into something beautiful and amazing. Or maybe you enjoyed our last challenge of writing our names with our non-dominant hands, upside down, with our eyes closed. You want to take that and draw something amazing in that way, and then go, hey, I can make adjustments and turn this into something a little bit clumsy and a little bit shaky into something awesome and amazing that really represents who I am. When it comes down to it, TGQ Kid, respect gives you the power to make things better. So no matter what you do or create, make things better in your own unique way. Keep training your respect because we've got more to conquer. Okay, TGQ Kid, you know what time it is. Let's bring it in and lock this down. Say it with me. I am a TGQ Kid. I train daily to become better. I stay grounded in who I am, and I'm quick to do the right thing. That was awesome. And always remember, TGQ Kid, that you are perfectly, uniquely you. And the world wouldn't be whole without you.